Introduction. Bootstrap is a front-end framework incorporating HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Key component is its CSS offering a set of style rules for efficient web page styling. Understanding Bootstrap CSS. The CSS in Bootstrap provides ready-made classes for designing and customizing layout, typography, forms, buttons, etc. Example, bin primary class styles a button with dark blue background and white text. Incorporating Bootstrap grid system. Bootstrap grid system uses rows, columns, and containers to lay out and align content. Allows up to 12 columns across the page. Example, a layout with 3 equal width columns on larger devices and vertically stacked columns on mobile phones. Customizing Bootstrap CSS. Bootstrap's styles can be customized to fit design requirements. Example, changing the color of the BTN primary class. Ensure that custom CSS is loaded after Bootstrap CSS to effectively override default styles. Tips and tricks. Load custom CSS after Bootstrap CSS for your styles to take precedence. Use Bootstrap's helper classes like Text Center, MT3, etc. Bootstrap's grid system requires a parent row class and a container or container fluid to work properly. Common errors. Common error, not properly understanding the grid system. Ensure the total number of columns in a row add up to 12. Conclusion. CSS in Bootstrap offers features that simplify the web development process. Understanding and utilizing these features allows crafting of beautiful, responsive, and user-friendly web applications.